Hi guys! My name is Senit Samudio and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kung dati na kitang subscribers at kung ikaw naman ay bago dito sa channel namin, please mag-subscribe ka po at welcome sa iyo. Ako po ay nagtuturo sa mga aspiring virtual assistant. So, eto po ang tanong ko ngayong araw na ito. Excited ka maging virtual assistant, pero hindi mo alam kung saan ka magsisimula. Alam mo, most of the successful virtual assistant ngayon ay dumaan din po dyan sa sitwasyon na yan. In this video po, I'll share the first things every aspiring virtual assistant should know para hindi ka ma-overwhelm at mas mabilis kang makahanap ng client. Okay, ano po ninyong gagawin? Know what a virtual assistant does. Okay? Ano po ba talagang ginagawa ng virtual assistant? Ang virtual assistant po ay hindi lang online secretary. VA helps clients save time and grow their business. May iba't ibang roles po ang VA. Admin, social media, real estate, e-commerce, executive VA, at marami pa pong iba yan. So before you start, tanungin mo muna sarili mo, anong task ang kaya kong gawin confidently? Kasi the clearer your niches, the easier clients will find you. So, pag alam mo na yung niche mo, learn the basic tools. Kahit beginner ka, kailangan familiar ka sa mga tools na ginagamit ng clients. Ano po yung mga example nito? Google Workspace, yung Docs, Sheet, Gmail. Sa Canva naman po, ito po yung designing tools po. Ito po ay for designs and social media posts. Trello or Asana naman po ay ito naman ang mga task management. Zoom and Slack, ito naman po ay mga communication tools. Marami pa po yung iba. Huwag mo nang hintayin na may magturo sa'yo. Explore mo na habang wala ka pang client. Remember, confidence starts with familiarity. So, alam mo na yung niche mo, alam mo na yung mga tools. Ngayon po, iset up nyo naman ang iyong online profile. Next, naaayusin mo agad ang online profile mo sa platform like Online Jobs PH, Upwork, or LinkedIn. Your headline should clear say what you do. For example, virtual assistant / social media / admin. So, about section mo, sabihin mo how you can help your clients. Hindi lang yung I'm hardworking. Instead, say, I help business owner manage their time and social media so they can focus on growth. Susunod naman po, don't wait, start practicing. Maraming aspiring VA na nag-aaral lang ng nag-aaral pero hindi nag-a-apply. The best way to learn to do it. Okay? Yung po yung best learn to learn. Create a sample work sa Canva, post, content calendar, sample emails, then use them in your portfolio. Clients don't always want experience. They want to see initiatives. So, if you are serious becoming a virtual assistant, start by knowing the basics. Learning the tools and fixing your profile. You don't have to be perfect. Just start. Comment nyo po sa baba. I'm ready to start my VA journey. And please, don't forget po to subscribe for more beginner-friendly VA tips every week.